Hi, this is Kevin Sell from Concentrus. I want to show you the quick tip to display the vendor record in the P&L report in NetSuite. When using a standard P&L report, the current name field is only pulling up customer and project entities. If a journal line is specified to a vendor name, the customer name column is blank. I'll demonstrate this in my demo account. So I have this journal entry created in the demo account, and I do have the vendor enter at each line. And I will go to the report, financial, and income statement, customize a detail to pull up the P&L report. Before I do that, I can go ahead and show you what that looks like right now. So as you can see, none of the name comes up here other than the invoice at the journal entry level. As you can see, none of these names come up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to return to customization to kind of pull up this exact record and show you what that looks like. First, J3. It's not pulling up accordingly. Let me go ahead and choose this one and see if it does pull up. So when I preview this, even though I have something at the name is blank, as you can see, even though I have some enter something at the line level, the vendor is not showing. So what I would do is, the reason being again is because it's showing only at the customer project entities level. What we can do is return to the customization, and we will edit the column. Then we'll expand the financial, and we'll go down to the entity line folder. And then we'll add the name. Any of the first or second name on the list should both work. Ooh, I'm sorry, this is at the wrong one. I'm still at the filter. Let's see. So let me go ahead and do that again. Expand the financial and then go all the way to the entity line folder. And then you may choose any of these two names. Anyone would work, first or second one. And I can go ahead and preview. Now, as you can see, the name at the line that we added, it shows. And also I can go ahead and go back and show you to add the other, the second one on the list. It should still show the same that it would add at that point. And the second one on the list was here. So I will move it to the left to compare, and I'll move this to all the way to other one as well. You can rename it if you need. To entity lane vendor if you wish. Then let's preview it. So when it comes up, it's going to show this AAA consulting here, and which it does, AAA consulting on both column, as you can see. Thank you for watching the video, and please reach out to us if you have any further question about this video. Thank you.